Welcome to our channel. If you want to check your credit score through Equifax, one of the 3 major credit bureaus, follow these step-by-step instructions to access your credit information. Step 1. Understand that there are 2 ways to check your Equifax credit score: through a free annual credit report or by signing up for Equifax's credit monitoring services. Step 2. For a free annual credit report, visit www.annualcreditreport.com, which is the only federally authorized source for free credit reports. This report includes your credit history, but not your actual credit score. Step 3. To get your free report, select Equifax from the 3 bureau options, enter your personal information including name, address, social security number, and date of birth, and answer security questions to verify your identity. Step 4. For your actual credit score, visit www.equifax.com and click Get My Free Credit Score to sign up for a free Equifax account. Step 5. Complete the registration by providing your personal information and creating an account. Equifax offers a free plan that provides your VantageScore 3.0 credit score. Step 6. Once registered, log into your Equifax account to view your current credit score, credit report summary, and factors affecting your score. Step 7. Review your credit score regularly and check for any errors or suspicious activity on your credit report. If you find inaccuracies, you can dispute them directly through your Equifax account. Step 8. Consider signing up for credit monitoring services through Equifax or other providers to receive alerts about changes to your credit report, such as new accounts, inquiries, or potential identity theft. Many credit cards and banks also offer free credit score access as a member benefit. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.